In the previous section, we completed HTML links. In this section, we are going to learn how to create HTML tables. A table is an arrangement of data in rows and columns. This is a table. These are rows and these are columns. The first row normally contains the heading of the column. We can say it is the table header. Then rest of the part of the table is table body. The slots of the first row are table heading and all of the other slots are table data. Instead of table heading, let's use the short form TH, and instead of table data, let's use the short form TD. Short form for table header is T-head and short form for table body is T-body. Instead of table row, let's call it TR from now on. These short forms are actually the tags we're going to use to create exactly this table. Here are the codes from the previous section. I'm going to get rid of them. Saving it inside the HTML folder as table.html. Now opening this web page, and closing the previous tab. To create HTML tables, we use opening and closing table tag. Then we create T-head and T-body element. Inside the table head, use opening and closing TR tag to create a row element. We are going to create this table using HTML. It has 3 headings. We are going to create 3 headings too. Then write lesson name here. Second TH element, it will be time to complete. The third one is purpose. Alright, the table header is completed. Save and reload the web page. It looks like regular text, however, we will see the difference in a minute. Now inside the table body, create the first row using TR element. Inside it, there will be opening and closing TD tag. In between, write HTML. Then take another TD element and write 2 weeks. And another one with basic structure. Save the code and reload the web page. Now it looks like more like a table. Create another TR element, then create TD element inside it. First one is for CSS. The second TD element will contain 3 weeks. Then the third one, styling. Going for the third row, inside TR element, there will be TD element that says JavaScript. Then another TD element saying 4 weeks. And the last one, user interactivity. The table is ready. Save the code and reload the web page. This is the table. It looks like a table, but without the border, it seems incomplete. To add borders, we have to use border attribute and set it to 1. Save the code and reload the web page. Here you go. We have created a nice HTML table. That's it for this section. In the next section, we will learn about HTML entities, and I'll see you there.